Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'm going to be letting you know how best to clean and maintain the Osmopolix oil range. As with all hard wax oils, it really couldn't be easier, so let's jump straight in. We all like to keep our homes clean and tidy. However, don't undo all your hard work by using a regular household cleaner, as this can strip the Osmopolix oil range. Luckily, they have a solution for this, in the shape of Osmo Wash and Care. It is a water-soluble cleaning concentrate for oiled or waxed interior woods. Simply add 1 capful to 1 litre of water and it's ready to use. For regular cleaning on floors, we would recommend using this with the fantastic Osmo Spray Mop. If your wooden surface is looking a bit tired and worn, you'll be relieved to know that it's a really easy fix. Osmo Liquid Wax Cleaner is the answer to all of your problems. Specially designed to refresh or regenerate oiled finishes. Simply add a small amount to a lint-free cloth or mop. Apply it to the wooden surface thinly and work into the area that needs to be refreshed. For deep stains, scuffs, wear and minor scratches, lightly abrade the affected surface with a finishing pad. Simply apply another coat of the top coat you chose into the affected area. It really couldn't be easier. Do you need further technical assistance or advice on your project? Why not put us to the test and give us a call? Links to all the products used in this video are in the description on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future content.